I want to begin by telling you that these commitment cards will be held in the same confidential manner that the giving records and that the offerings are taken each week. Only those that count the offering and do the giving statement now will be the only ones that see these commitment cards. As you open up the commitment card, you see the Greater Things Initiative logo, and as you've already heard, we have a primary and a secondary goal. The primary goal is 100% participation of ministry and serving here at Grace, and the secondary goal is to raise $1.4 million over a 2-year time period. The top half of this commitment card deals with the primary goal of 100% participation. You have 2 checkmark boxes there. If you're actively serving and involved in ministry already at Grace, then check the top box. If there are other ministries that you would like to be involved in, or if you are not currently serving but would like to serve, then you would check the second box, and then your name will be given to the leadership team and you will be contacted to find an area for you to be able to serve and minister here at Grace. The second half of this card is involving the secondary goal of raising $1.4 million over a 2-year time period. The first line is what you would write, what you would normally give in a year. The second line is, after prayerful consideration, what you feel being led to give towards greater things. You would add those 2 lines together to come up with an amount, which you would then multiply by 2 years, since this is a 2-year project. You would enter that amount there on the right-hand side. If there's any one-time gifts that you would want to give, you would add that to be able to then come up with the total commitment for the 2-year period of 2019 and 2020, and you would write that amount there and then put your name there, and if you want to put your phone number and email, you are able to do that. On the back side is a gift guide to be able to show you that each gift counts towards our goal of $1.4 million. And as you look at this, you can see on the far left the gifts that are needed times the different amounts for annual gift, which equals a 2-year gift. And then the far right column totals up all of those amounts to be able to get us to reach $1.4 million. So we're excited about what God is going to do with Greater Things. We're excited to be able to reach our levels of 100% participation and to be able to see what God will do to help us reach our secondary goal of the $1.4 million over a 2-year period. Thank you.